Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to change email on your PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and after you open it, you need to type in the URL www.paypal.com. Once you do this, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on login and type in your email address or your mobile phone number, and after you do so, you need to now type the code that has been sent to your number. So after you type in the code that has been sent to your number, you will be then redirected to another interface. So after you type in the number, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. Once you tap on the settings option, you will have this page where you can find the email section. So simply tap on add. Once you tap on the add option, you will end up in this page where you need to now type in the email address that you want to add. Then simply hit the confirm button, and once you do so, you will be now taken to the next interface. After the credentials are filled, you will end up in this interface where you need to confirm your email address by signing in or getting an email code on your respective account. So now simply type in the code that you have gotten in your email address, and after you type in the code, you will be then forwarded to the next page where you can find that the email that you have added will be primary and next one will be a secondary one. So in this way you can change email on your PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.